Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kalechi and I'm a Canva expert. So today I am going to be showing you guys how I created the Happy New Month animation video. That's the welcome to November animation video that I posted on my social media pages a while ago. Okay, the beginning of this month, sorry. So I'm going to be showing you how I was able to achieve that, okay, using Canva, of course. Now, please, if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do that. And you can also like and comment if you found any tip that I will be sharing in this video helpful. Now, without wasting much time, let's just jump right into the tutorial. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a design and then I would select. Why is it taking long? Reload this. So please, if you find any tip helpful, just let me know in the comment section. So this is our Canva home page. Why is it taking long? Okay, thanks for being 1 in 100 million. So this is it. Go over to create a design over here. And then I'm going to select a custom size. So we have the recent ones here. 3000 by 4000 is the particular size that I use. So I'm going to click on this. And there you have it. We have our canvas or blank page, and we're going to start, okay, putting things in place. So this is our blank page. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color. Now I used this color yellow, and then the next thing I did was go over to text here and then select this, choose a font. Okay. Now we have Beba's new here, but the font I used was Anton, Anton. It's a bold and a long font, and I really like it a lot. It's good for headings, especially when I'm creating animation like this. I usually use Anton. Okay, so this is it. I'm trying to change this to Anton. Why is it taking so long to load? Boom, 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 boom. I'm guessing network error. If I'm not mistaken, I'm just going to try and rectify that, and we can go back to our tutorial. Okay, so Anton is here, and then the text is welcome. Sorry for that. Now the size I used was 550 for this welcome. And then I applied the holo effect, reduce the thickness from 50 to, I think it was a 10. Yes. So we have welcome. Then the next thing I did was I just added another welcome, made it double welcome. and then I duplicated this, bring it down here. Yep, duplicated this again, brought it down here, duplicated it again, and then we have welcome, 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 and welcome. So we have 6 welcome here. Now I'm going to duplicate this and then start working on it. So we have welcome, welcome. Now this one is going to come over here, then change it to right alignment. Do the same for this, right alignment. So do the same for this, right alignment. So we have welcome, 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 welcome. Now let's start working. So I'm going to duplicate this again, then bring this one here, bring this one here, just adjust it, adjust it, adjust it, adjust it. Do the same, bring this one here, take this one here, left, right, left, right, duplicate it again, left, right, left, right, left, right, duplicate again. I'm just going to repeat this for a considerable number of times before I move on to the next phase. Duplicate, left, right, left, right, left, right. I'm just going to make it to 10, left, right, left, right, left, right. Duplicate again, left, right, left, right, left, right, again, left, right, left, right, left. So I'm just gonna make this till it gets to the number 15. I hope my voice is loud enough and you can hear me. Okay, duplicate. We're almost there. We're at number 12 now. Just get to 15. So and this is almost the last one. This, left, right. So we have welcome into 15. Now I'm going to change the timer here to 0.1 seconds. Apply it to all pages, and we are done. Okay. So we're done with the first part, which is welcome. Now we're going to move over to the second part, which is our T and O tool. So change this to T O, centralize it. So change this to T. I'm going to remove the hollow effect to make it none. Then increase the font size to, wow, this is too big, to 1200. Okay, this will do it. And we have our T here, and the animation I used for this particular text was roll, R-O-L-L, roll, which is this one. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate this, bring it over here, and then we have a T-O, just to make sure that the background is not looking too plain. So it's just, I just repeated T-O, okay, to 3 places. Increase the size, increase the size. So this is what we have. TOTO, reduce the transparency thing to 15. Take it to the back, duplicate, bring it to the middle, take it to the back, and then duplicate for the last time. So we have TOTOTO. I just hope I got it correctly. So I am going to change the timer here to 1 second. 1 second. Okay, I'm not applying that to all pages, just for this particular page, page 16. So I'm going to duplicate. We have T, and then I'm going to change this to O. So the transition still roll. And then the next thing I am going to do, it's like this. So we have T O, sorry, then letter O, and then we're going to duplicate this, and this is going to be T O. Now this, I'm not going to use roll again. I'm going to remove the animation for the text. Now the animation will be for the whole page, and I'm going to use the breadth animation. So, and the timer is 2 seconds. 2 seconds. I'm not going to apply that to all pages. It's just going to be for this particular page. So we have welcome, and then we have TO, welcome to. Now let's move over to the next thing, okay, which is November. So I'm going to duplicate this, bring it down here, and I'm going to spell November, reduce it, the size. And then I'm going to remove the transparency, make sure everything is visible. So we have November here. I'm going to place it here. Then I'm going to duplicate it and then bring it down here. So we have November at the top, and then November B. Oh, yes, that looks good. Just make it 550, 550, 550. Then let's start. So we have November up, November down, just to give you that effect. The effect where the November is coming, the one at the top is going downwards, and the one at the bottom is moving upwards. So here's what I did. I duplicated the page, and then I brought this just a little bit, take this one up a bit, duplicate, bring this down, take this up, duplicate, bring this down, take this up. I just repeated that. Okay, we're gonna keep doing that. Down, up, down, up, down, up. I hope you're following me, please. If there's any part that you're confused in this tutorial, please, you can drop a comment and I would do well to answer your questions. So I'm going to bring this, duplicate, bring this, duplicate, bring this up. We are almost there. Seems. So we have November. Now I'm going to duplicate this and then delete one of this, remove the hollow effect, and apply. Okay, this is still bright. I hope this is. So I'm going to remove this animation. Remove this animation. There shouldn't be any animation for this. It's just just um so I'm removing all the animation so it doesn't affect what I'm trying to do. So let's see if everything is set. Pray just had to come along. Okay, we are almost done with this. So now this is going to be 0.1 seconds. So I'm going to try and apply it to all pages, then go ahead and just, okay, so we have 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, but then this wouldn't be 1 second, this is going to be 5. Well, let's leave it at 3. So this, it's not going to be 1 second, it's going to be, yeah, this is all 1 second, 0.1 second. So we are here when we have November break. Then I'm going to duplicate this again, change this color to white, and then instead of using braids animation, I'm going to use batik for this. Now what I did was I added, I hope I can locate this. Yes, yeah. So those flowers, I got them from Canva elements. So I'm just going to copy it from here and paste it there. So this is a animated flower. I'm going to copy this, come over here, and then paste it. Do the same, copy this, and then paste it to just give it that animated look. So do the same thing here. Because of time, I'm going to finish this pretty quick. And this is going to be 5 seconds. Now, this is the whole pages. Now, what I did for some parts was, like if I'm moving from this particular page, welcome, and moving on to this page, like moving on to a new part of this particular design, what I did was I just changed this to this view and then applied transition. You can see it add transition, like you're moving from this page to another page. So Canva has a lot of video transitions. We have dissolve, we have slide, we have circle wipe, we have color wipe, we have line wipe, we have stack, and we have chop. So I did that for, let's say, from 15 to 16, and then from 18 to 19 another transition, and also from November, okay, yes, I think from TO2 18 to 19, I just applied transitions to make it look really, really cool. Now I'm going to stop here, but if you have any questions, should I play? Let me play this so you guys can see. So welcome TO to November, and it's as simple as that. Okay, it's as simple as that. You can try something like this, and then if you have any question, like I said before, please let me know in the comment section. And if you find any tip that I shared in this video tutorial helpful, you can also let me know in the comment section. Like this particular tutorial, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you also would like to register for my Canva Made Easy course, you can just message me. The link is in the description of this video. You can message me on Facebook or on Instagram, on WhatsApp, and there's also a discount. Okay, so if you pay now, you get a discount. You will not get to pay the full price. So rush me now, and see you next time.